Hello everyone, welcome again in our next video series. If you want to start your career as ethical hacker or pen tester, you'll need this CTF as a beginner. In this series, we'll solve OverTheWire Bandit CTF. This CTF is your first step as a security researcher. You don't need to log in and it's completely free to perform this CTF. Here is the complete guide how to start this process, and also I'll guide you to solve all problems step by step. You'll need to SSH to the Bandit server where we have given hostname, port, username and password. The main CTF is the password because for every next level you have to log in using different username and password. Every level have CTF as a password for its next level. So you can't directly jump to the random level, but you have to solve every level starting from level 0. So let's begin our first level. Be with me till the last because every step matters. This is level 0. We have to log in to a server from given credentials. This is the host name, we have our port and also username as Bandit0. This username will change for all next level. For this level, we have password as Bandit0. Once log in, go to the level 1 to find out how to beat level 1. Let's go to level 1. As it says, the password for the next level is stored in the file called readme. So let's open the readme file. The password for the level 1 is here. Let's store the password in notepad because it will need this to solve next level. Now login again for level 1. Use username as bandit1 and use the password. So here we are now logging again in the next user to solve level 1. This level goal is the password for the next level is stored in the file called dash located in home directory. So let's open that file. Use a simple command and here our CTF is here. Let's save it again. It will be used to log in for the next level. Again, to solve level 2, log in again using different username, bandit2. Our goal is the password for the next level is stored in the file called spaces in this file. But first, log in again using the password we have stored before. Once you are logged in, our CTF is in the file spaces in this file. Let's try to open that file and find our CTF. We cannot open this file using the simple cat command, so use this process here. We need to use // command and use the double quotation for this file like this. Finally, we get our flag here. Let's save it again for the next level. To solve level 3, check out our next video. I will have different video for all different levels. So do not forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.